You don't have to be an artist to make your website look pretty. All you need is a simple color knowledge. Before anything else, let me show you how I improved this whole sheet into a modern looking website. All I did is change the color, that's it. First, I changed the font color of the navigation bar. Then I added a background overlay on the hero section, which made hero contents more readable. And then I changed the content colors and added a background to the hero heading. And then changed the button color. You see, just by putting the right color at the right place, I was able to improve the website quality. I mean, it's not an award-winning design, but it's much more human readable now. If you want to consistently make your website look professional and beautiful, follow these two simple rules. First, use a single color if you have no idea about the color usage. Second, if your background is a light color, use something dark for the content, and if it's dark color, then use something light for the content. Now back to the first rule, use a single color and use multiple variants of that single color. A good rule of thumb is to make one light color variant and one dark color variant. And that's it.